Welcome back, my sixth graders. Let's go ahead and knock out this homework. I got the even ones today. So let's find the area of each polygon. I see one over here, 26 by 15. I mean, this is 26, this is 15. But we know that this is 5. So this is 5. We know that this over here is 15 minus 5, which would make this from here to here 10. So now we can start doing this. This first one is going to be 26 times 10 for the rectangle. That's going to give us 260. Then we have this over here, which is going to be 5 by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We have this over here. This is 5. This also has to be 5. So this is 5 times 3, which is 15. Now we can add all this up. And let me just correct this over here real quick. I see that this kind of looks like a minus sign. I don't want anybody confused by that. This is going to be a 5. This is going to be 8, 9. And it's going to be 2. So 295 feet square. All right. All right. Next, sorry about that. Next, I'm doing number 8 here. Number 8 says that I've got a cylinder block, looks like kind of like a concrete block with holes in it. I have to find just what the green is. I can do this first by finding out what the whole block is. The whole block is 4 by 8. So 8 times 4 is 32. I'm going to minus what these are. These are 2 by 2. So each of these are going to be 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. Which means I'm subtracting 8 from this. So everyone see I'm taking all the green and then minusing the white from it. This is going to make me borrow, so this should be 20, and 12 minus 8 is 4, 24 feet, or 24 meters square. All right, looks like I got number 10. So find the area of the square units in each polygon. Okay, if I look at this, I can see right here, I'm going to have right, this is going to equal a square, which is 3 by 3. That gives me 9 squares. Next, I got to take this and this together. I could just take this shape and bring it over here and turn it, and it would just fill this spot up here. The book is probably going to want me to use the triangle formula, though. That's 1/2. Let's just put that over here, 1/2 times base times height. The base of this triangle is 1. The height of this triangle is 1, 2, 3. So I have 1/2 times 1 times 3. I can see that this is going to be, oops, sorry, 1/2, not 1/3. This is going to be 1 times 3, which is 3, and half of 3 is 1.5. So every one of these triangles equals 1.5. So it's just 2 of them. That'll be 1.5 times 2. And that's going to equal 3. That makes sense, because once again, if I took this right over here and flipped it around, right, then that would be 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to be adding 3 to this. and 9 plus 3 is 12. So I got 12 units squared. All right, let's go to number 10, or number 12, excuse me. All right, it says Diego is designing an exercise room. How many square feet of rubber flooring will he need to cover the floor? The product is sold in whole square yards. How many square yards should Diego buy? All right, so first let's find this in square feet. In square feet, since we're dealing with this, we have a rectangle here, right? We could kind of cut it off this way if we wanted to. We have a rectangle down here. This is 14 feet, and this is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6, so that means from here to here is 6 feet. That tells me everything I need to know, except the measurement of this. Well, I know it's 15 feet across here, and I know this is 9. And 15 minus 9 is going to give me 6. So that means this is 6 feet from here to here. So let's follow this rectangle first. We got 15 by 6. 15 times 6. That's going to give me 30. And 3 plus 6 is 90. So this top one here is 90. Bottom one over here is 6 feet by 8 feet. And 6 times 8 is 48. So this is 48. Now together we're going to get 138. So in feet it should be 138. Sorry about that. Square feet. Now I have to plug in power cord because I'm running out of power, so please. All right, took care of that. Now we got to take this into yards. Remember, a yard is 3 feet. So a square yard is going to be, well, 3 feet times 3 feet, which would give me 9 feet. So that means I've got to take 138 and divide it by 9. Oops. 138 divided by 9 is going to give us 15.3 repeating. Okay. Divided by 9 equals 15.3 repeating. So how many yards will I need? Well, 15 won't do, so I'll need to buy 16 yards. Square. Okay, so in yards, 16 yards, in feet, 138 feet square. All right. If we move down, I've got number 14 to do. It says, how could you find the area of the picture frame without decomposing the frame into smaller shapes? Decomposing means I would be slicing this into, I guess this would be a big rectangle here, right? And then there'd be another rectangle here, and then another rectangle here and here. They're saying without decomposing it, how could I do it? This is pretty easy actually, because what I would do is I would find the area of from the length times width of the blue, and whatever it is, then I would find the length times width of the white, and I would go ahead and subtract the white from the blue. So I find the area of the larger rectangle and subtract the smaller rectangle from it. All right. Let's go ahead and find number 16. Oh, there isn't one. Looks like that's all the ones I have to do. So the rest are on you to do. I'll see you in class for grading. Have a great night and good luck. Good luck.